Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amardeep Mishra and I am your aptitude trainer. So in this video, we are going to practice a couple of questions on divisibility rule. Okay. So this is the first question in front of you. You can read the question and try to solve this question on your own first. So please read this question and pause the video for a moment and try and solve this question on your own. Okay. The question says if 2, 3, 4, 6, 5x is divisible by 4 and 8, find the value of x. Okay. So this number is divisible by both 4 and x. 4 and x means divisible by both. So divisibility rule by 4, we know already that the last two digits must be divisible by 4. Okay. So if I pick up this 5x, this will be divisible by 4. So what values of x can be taken here? The value of x can be taken as 2. The value of x can be taken as 6. If I take x equals to 2, this will become 52. If I take x equals to 6, it will become 56. Okay. And both of these numbers are divisible by 4, right? But this number is also divisible by 8. For divisibility by 8, we check the last three digits. So hence we are going to pick up the last three digits. These are 6, 5x. Okay. Now 6, 5x needs to be divisible by 8. Okay. So if we check here, if I try and divide this value by 8. Okay. This will be 8 8s are 64 and remainder is 1. And this is x. Now understand what value of x can you take here? The value of x that can be taken here is only 6, right? Because if I take x equals to 6, this will become 6. So 8 2s are 16 and it will be 0. Okay. So from here, I can say I can take only one value of x, that is 6. If I have to make this number divisible by 8, and to make it divisible by 4, I can take two values of x, which are 2 and 6. But in these value and in this value, what is common? Only x equals to 6 is common. If I take x equals to 6, so this number will become 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 6. So in this condition, this number is divisible by both 4 and 8. Hence, the value of x equals to, to 6 for this question, right? I hope it is clear. So the answer equals to 6, x equals to 6. Okay. Now let's move towards the next question. Please read this one, read this question and try to solve this question on your own. Pause the video for a moment. Okay. The question says, find the three-digit numbers which are divisible by 4 and 8 both. So in this case, you have to find out the three-digit numbers which are divisible by 4 and 8 both. So the numbers which are from 100 till 999. These are the three-digit numbers, right? So we have to find out the total numbers. We have to count the numbers which are divisible by 4 and 8 both in this range, right? Okay. So if I talk about the numbers which are divisible by 4, so the first number, the first three-digit number which is divisible by 4 is 100. Next is 104, next is 108, and so on. Okay. These are the numbers which are divisible by 4. Now, if I talk about the numbers that are divisible by 8, so the first number which is divisible by 8, that is 104. Okay. The next number will be 112. The next number will be 120 and so on. But you have to find out the numbers which are divisible by both 4 and 8. So what is the LCM of 4 and 8? The LCM, although I have not talked about the LCM yet, but still for now, the LCM of 4 and 8 equals to 8. Okay. LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. Now see, so you have to ultimately find out the numbers which are divisible by 8 only. Okay. So these numbers 104, 112, 120, these numbers are divisible by 8 as well as by 4. So ultimately we have to count these numbers. So if you see, it is a kind of a series and arithmetic progression. I'll discuss about the AP, GP, and HP in detail in my coming videos. But for now, you just keep in mind that if we have to find out the nth term of an AP, of an arithmetic progression, so the formula is Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, where D is the common difference. A is the first term and n is the value of nth term. So this series 104, 112, 120 will go on up to what? So let me check the last three-digit number which is divisible by 8. So 996, it is divisible by 4, but this number, if you check, it is not divisible by 8. Okay, so I'll subtract 4 from this. I will get the previous number is 992. Let me check. So this number is this 992. It is divisible by 4 as well as by 8. Okay, so hence the last three-digit number which is divisible by both 4 and 8 is 992. Okay, so it's a series. It's an AP, an arithmetic progression with a common difference of 8. Okay, 104, 112, 120, and 128, 136 up to 992. Because if you add 8 in this, you will get 1000, which is a 4-digit number. So I cannot take that. Right. Now in this series, this is the first number. So I will take it as A, small a. A is the first term and D is the common difference. Common difference is what? 8. 104 plus 8, 112. 112 plus 8, 120. 120 plus 8, 128, and so on. So D value equals to 8. And Tn is the last term, this 992. So if I put this 992 here at the place of Tn, so 992 equals to, at the place of A, I will put this 104. So 104 plus n minus 1 into D. Common difference is what? 8. So this will come here. This will be 992 minus 104. This will become 888, right? Equals to n minus 1. And this 8 will go here in the division. So this will become what? 111 equals to n minus 1. So I can say that n equals to 112. So there are total 112 three-digit numbers which are divisible by both 4 and 8. Okay, I hope this question is clear. In case if it is not clear, you can put your doubt in the comment box, or you can just rewind the video and rewatch it. Okay, now we have the third question. This third question. Find the three-digit numbers which are divisible by either 4 or 8. Okay, in this case, you have to find out the three-digit numbers which are divisible by either 4 or 8. Okay, you can pause the video for a moment and try to solve the question on your own first. Okay, now solution. Either or means what? You have to find the three-digit numbers which are divisible by either 4 or 8. Means either they are divisible by 4 or they are divisible by 8, but not divisible by both 4 and 8. Or rather, I should not use this word either. The question should be find the three-digit numbers which are divisible by 4 or 8. Okay, 4 or 8. That means number has to be divisible by 4. It has to be divisible by 8, but it should not be divisible by both 4 and 8. Okay, so first of all, let's count the numbers which are divisible by 4. So the three-digit numbers like 100, 104, 108, right? 112 up to 996. These are the numbers which are divisible by 4, right? So I can count the total numbers. So again, I will use the formula Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. So Tn at the place of Tn, I will put this 996 equals to, at the place of A, I will put this 100 plus n minus 1 into D. What is the common difference here? 4. 100 plus 4, 104, 104 plus 4, 108, and so on. So this will go here. It will become 896 equals to n minus 1 into 4. So from here, you can say n minus 1 will be equals to 224. So n value will be 225. Okay. And the numbers which are divisible by 8, they are 104, right? 112, 120, 128 up to 992. So for this series, we have already counted the total number of terms in the last question. You see, for this series, the terms were 112. So I can see here n will be equals to 112. And the numbers which are divisible by both 4 and 8, that will also be 112, which we have already counted in the last question. Okay. So the answer for this question should be the total 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 4 or 8, that will be equals to the numbers which are divisible by 4 plus divisible by 8 minus divisible by 4 and 8 both. Okay, so divisible by 4, how many numbers are there? 225. Divisible by 8, they were 112. And minus divisible by 4 and 8 both, again they were 112. So you can see this will be cancelled and you will be getting 225 as your answer. Okay, I hope this is clear. This question is clear to you. Now I'm giving you one question for homework. Find the 3-digit numbers. Find 3-digit numbers divisible by 9 or 5. Okay, 9 or 5. Please solve this very carefully. The method will be the same. First of all, you have to find out all the 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 9, then divisible by 5, and then divisible by both 9 and 5. And then you have to use what? The total numbers which are divisible by 9 plus the numbers that are divisible by 5 minus the numbers which are divisible by both 9 and 5. Okay. This you will use and you will be getting the answer. Okay. I hope you like this video. So if you have liked this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your juniors, those who are preparing for the aptitude rounds. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such useful videos. Thank you so much.